Magandang hapon mga bata. Excited ba kayo matuto sa ating pag-aralan ngayong hapon? Ang ating topic ngayong hapon ay patungkol sa changing improper fraction to mixed numbers and vice versa. Okay, bago tayo magsimula sa ating klase, tayo po muna kaawit muna tayo. Ano bang kanta ng math song? Diyan sa ating screen, makikita po natin dyan para maging masaya at masigla tayo ngayong hapon. Awit muna tayo ng isang magandang awit patungkol sa math. Okay, susundan niyo lang po ha. Ready?
Hello, grade 1. I want you to learn this math song. We are going to sing the song before we start our lesson.
Isang
Are
awit
you
lang.
familiar with the song? Are you ready? Great! The song goes like this.
Ready?
A-T-H
M-E-T-H math, 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 math. Learning is much fun. Learning is much fun. We like math. We like math.
Now, can you sing along with me?
Okay, ready?
M-A-T
T-H-M-E-T-H math, 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 math. Learning math is much fun. Learning math is much fun. We like math. We like math.
Great day, grade 1. Good job!
Okay, yeah. Very good. So kids, this time we will study the changing improper fraction to mixed numbers, vice versa. Let's define the improper fractions. Improper fractions, the numerators are greater than denominators. A mixed fraction is a number always expressed in a whole number and a fraction, and these types of fraction shows two or more things to be divided. Next, in this lesson, you will observe that improper and mixed fractions are related and can be changed to each other. So, papag-aralan natin ngayong hapon kung paano natin i-change ang improper fraction into mixed fraction or number or vice versa. Ngayon, sa example natin, halimbawa, mayroon tayong dalawang circle na mayroong apat na hati. Tingnan natin dito. Kung makikita natin, sa illustration natin, improper fraction and mixed numbers. So, lagyan natin na siya ng shades. Kasi mo, buo to, at mayroon siyang kalating shades. Okay? Next yan. One, two, three, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, ibig sabihin, 10 shades. So, each whole is divided into 4 parts. There are 10 parts. Ibig sabihin, kung babasahin natin, 10 over 4. Okay? 10 over 4. So, this is improper fractions. One whole is 4/4, and the other is 4/4. 4/4. Kung babasahin natin, it says 2 over 6, or 2 and 1/2. Ngayon, kung titignan natin, yan, buo to, whole number, what we call this is improper fractions. Okay? So from 10 over 4, improper fractions is equals to 2 and 1/2. So, sabihin, ito yung changing improper fractions to mixed numbers and vice versa. At ito po yung steps. Steps kung paano natin i-change ang improper fractions into mixed number. First, we must divide the numerator by the denominator. And second, express the remainder as fractions. Is called 10 over 4 is equals to 10 divided by 4. Two over 8 equals to 2. So, yan po. So, kung nakikita natin, ito na po yung sagot. No? So, another steps, how to change mixed numbers into improper fractions. Number 1 is to multiply the denominator by the whole number. 2 and 2/4. Then 4 times 2 equals to 8. Okay? And 8 divided by 2. Sorry, 8 divided by 2 equals to 10. Ang sagot natin makikita is 10 over 2. So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa ating pangalawang class. I will give an example. One example only. Number 1, as you can see, 13 over 4. This is improper fractions. So now, ang gagawin po natin is we are going to divide 13 divided by 4 equals 3. There will be a reminder, 1. And we will copy the denominator is 4. See? Nakikita niyo ba dyan? Okay? 3 over ang 1/4. Another example is improper fraction 25 over 3. So now we will divide 25 divide 3 is equals to 8. And there will be a remainder 1. I will copy the denominator. See? Ito po yung changing improper fraction to mix numbers and vice versa. Okay? Okay, meron po tayong dalawang learning task na gagawin sa hapon na ito. Nagbibigay ko ng dalawang example. Ito ang proper fraction, 13 over 4. Pahanapin natin yung missing. Okay? So, 13 divided by 4 is equals to 3. So, yung missing na number na nakalagay dito sa blank, the remainder is 1. So, kung mabasahin natin, 3 and 1/4. At sa pangalawang example na nakita natin, yung missing dito, over 7. At ito yung ang sagot, 3, 4 over 7. So, ito ay improper fraction. Para makukuha natin ang sagot is 2 times 7 times 3 equals to 21. So 21. So ang sagot plus 4 is equals to 25. At ito po yung sagot, 25 over 7. Okay mga bata? I hope na may natutunan tayo ngayon na hapon na ito tungkol sa changing improper fractions to mix numbers, vice versa. So bukas, ang gagawin po natin ay magre-review tayo sa pinag-aralan natin at magkaroon tayo ng quiz. Okay? So paghandaan natin bukas yung ating mga class, ang ating mga quiz. So sa gabi, sa hapon na ito ay may unawaan po kayo sa ating natutunan tungkol sa math. So sa una, mahirap, pero pag na tuloy-tuloy po tayo nag-aaral dito, matutunan natin at ma-enjoy po natin yung math. Okay?